Alright, assalamu alaikum everyone. So welcome to ICP update today, and I don't know if a lot of people are going to watch this video or not, but this is one of my favorite coins and projects out there. And as far as I'm concerned, I've seen something that has happened ever since ICP has been launched on Binance, and that's what I want to talk about because I've been checking ICP for quite a long time here. And what I find out is that on the volume side of it, there was a lot of money that was being thrown on ICP for the first time. You can see that this is a huge volume break for ICP, and if you do go into the volume is actually 84.433 million ICP were bought. 84.433 million. Multiply that by the current price of nearly $10. So we're talking about $140 million being thrown basically. If we're talking about 84 million being bought and one ICP cost $10, that is 840 million being thrown, right? It's a huge number. And people are frustrated because when it started out on Binance right here, we saw the prices moving near $80 and $50, and back then people were ready to be committed that this is your bottom right here, but eventually we went even lower. For some reason I thought this was the bottom as well, but thank goodness I never bought it right there. I started buying nearly $6 and $8 ranges, so my average is like $7 entry point, and this was last year on the private on Discord. And by the way, you can join Discord. Just tap on this upper link of the video and you're going to be in, or just check the link in the description for this one. And now since you've already bought way too many ICPs, now there is a retest that we still need to see for ICP basically, and there's a pattern that you've broken about, and I want to go through this pattern with you. And you can see on the daily as well, that's a huge buying. I mean, the buyers was very visibly clearly right in there, and the money that has been thrown on ICP is huge. You see guys, show me a better website than ICP one. I mean, if you go to Google and if we look at internet computer, I mean, this is the biggest Web3 the Web3 project that I've seen in a while. And if you go into their website as well, I've never seen a crypto project that has been built so beautifully and so professionally. I mean, even when you go here, look at that. Look at this website, man. This is one website that, my goodness, right? Just go to Internet Computer, look at the project, look at how many people are into this project, look at how many opportunities. Actually, there's job opportunity if you want to even work for ICP people. You can actually go to their career places and try to see. I've seen social media management jobs in here, front-end developers. If you know anything about Solidity from Ethereum, if you're a developer, you can actually do that one as well. So a lot of things, okay, a lot of things. And people have been building their their projects on top of ICP blockchain as well. Okay, so this is incredible, really incredible. I do suggest you to go on and give it a read if you want to give it a read. It's an amazing project. Even their Twitter is almost like 500,000 to 600,000 followers, and this coin, their coin is down at $9, coming from a all-time high of nearly $2,000-3,000 right there. So for some reason, my all-time high, I do expect ICP is believable to actually come up to even $2,700. I mean, there's nothing wrong with trying to get a little bit of a purchase with ICP. I will actually do that, and I've done that. So the thing here is, you've broken above, and we may just see some small retest potentially here, and you've also made a bull cross as far as I'm concerned. So you can see this is your bull cross right here. We may actually just look to retest the 10, which is nearly $8.8, and then from there you have a technical target for ICP to nearly break above and continue to a technical target of nearly $15. So that's it for this quick update on it, and I'm going to see you the next one. Allah Hafiz.